Hey Lennar fans, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Sylvester floor plan by Lennars Homes. This is part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. The Sylvester is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just over 2,000 square foot home with the 2-car garage that you see there. Let's walk inside this beautiful floor plan and see if it's for you. As we walk inside, you have a nice entryway here, and directly to the right is going to be the area for your guest bedrooms. Here's your first guest bedroom here. Lots of light with the window out front of the home, and you've got a closet right there. And sandwiched in between the two guest bedrooms, you have the guest bath here with the singular sink, commode, and the combination tub and shower. And then you have the other guest bedroom right here, again with the bifold closet doors there. Now, peeking back through towards the entry space, we're going to walk down your entry hallway here, and to the left is your third guest bedroom here. Nice thing about this bedroom is it offers an ensuite bath with the singular sink, commode, and the combination tub and shower. This bedroom also has the bifold door closets as well. Now, as we enter the main living part, you have the dining space, your living space, and your kitchen all opened up. Perfect for entertaining. The executive homes do come with a full appliance package like you see here, including a washer dryer. Really nice size walk-in style pantry here in the kitchen. And when you're in the kitchen, you're overlooking your living space and your dining room. Now, the last room to feature here is the master. It's tucked away towards the back of the home here, and as you come into the master bedroom, you've got a huge closet. Really nice sized closet on both sides here. And plenty of room here in your master bedroom. That's a king size suite there, lots of light with the windows. And then you have your master bath with your linen closet, the dual sinks, your soaking tub, your glass enclosed shower, and your private commode room here. And last but certainly not least is the outdoor living area for this home. And as we take a look at the living space for the Sylvester here, you've got plenty of room under truss, and this looks out onto your pool area here, and plenty of space, as you can see, towards the other side of the pool for lounging and enjoying the Florida lifestyle. All right, folks, so if you like the Sylvester floor plan, we are your local Lennar experts. You can contact us at any of the information below, and we'd be happy to help you locate the Sylvester floor plan in any of Lennar's communities where they are offered, or help you with any other floor plan within the Lennar network. Guys, this is Roberto Lee. We really appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll talk to you next time.